Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. Today I'm going to show you how you can make some beautiful Valentine home decor using Dollar Tree items. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up and now let's crack. Starting with my first project, I will be using this Dollar Tree wood book. Before I paint it, I am going to sand it down first. Alright, so for this next step, I'm using the Dollar Tree painter's tape. I'm going to start to just tape around the block. I do want to outline this, and I didn't have a brown marker. Wait, I did have one, but I couldn't find it, which that was probably easiest to just outline the whole square. But because I didn't have that, I am going to just use the painter's tape and use some antique wax. I'm going to first start with the corner because I don't want to waste a lot of tape, and then using that same tape I'm going to do the other corner. I let this dry for a couple of minutes, then I remove that tape, and like I said, I am going to reuse this to make the other side. If you haven't guessed it by now, I am doing an envelope. So now I'm going to make the little part that folds. I'm using the same tape to make the lines. Now to finish off, I am going to decorate this by adding like a little heart right here. I did use one of them chalk hearts the Dollar Tree carries. I flipped it around, painted it red, then added a jute twine bow, and that is it. Look how beautiful and cute this envelope turned out. For my next project, I'm using this Dollar Tree wood decor. Now Dollar Tree did carry these in two different ones, one that says home and this one that says love. I felt like this was perfect for Valentine, so I'm going to start off by painting all the little houses white except the O. That one I will be painting it with the Waverly Antique Wax. So while that is drying, I am going to paint this piece of wood that I got from the Dollar Tree as well and paint it with the antique wax. Now that the little houses are dry, I'm using this red ribbon that I got from Dollar General. I'm going to cut small little squares to glue them to the back so the letters are red instead. I used this ribbon because I didn't have some red construction paper or any type of red paper, but if I would have had like some red paper, I would have used the paper instead. So I'm only using this little red ribbon on the back to all the white houses. For the antique wax house, which is the letter O, instead of doing it on the back, I decided to add some of this ribbon to this Dollar Tree heart. But since the ribbon is like sheer, you can see through, I am going to paint the heart red first and then glue some of that ribbon on top of it. To decorate this a little more, I will be adding a jute twine to the heart. Now that we have all of the little houses ready, I am going to start to glue them to the piece of wood. And to do that, I am going to use 4 Jenga blocks. And this completes this beautiful love tabletop decor. For my next project, I do want to show you first what you can use from Dollar Tree, which is this craft wood cube. But because I didn't have one, I'm using whatever piece of wood I already had, which is this scrapbook that I had. Scrap wood. And I'm going to paint this using the Waverly Antique Wax. Once this was dried, I did make a hole and I used this tool right here. My drill wasn't charged, so I just used my hand and it took me like 5 minutes to make this hole. Now the next thing I will be using is this beaded little pick that I got from Hobby Lobby. Now I got this last year. I tried to search these online to see if the Hobby Lobby still carry these, and they do. But I didn't see this color combination. I only see just plain white and pink. But maybe not on the website, they don't have them, and at the store they do. Hopefully they do, because this combination is so pretty. I did cut some of the stem part off so it can fit in the little hole. Once I had cut it to where I wanted to, I painted the little outline of the hole first, and then I glued this little pick on here. I did use lots of hot glue. Now this is going to be like a small little tree. And honestly, you can leave it like this, but I am using these Dollar Tree little wood hearts that I had gotten a while back, which I painted using the Waverly Antique Wax. Then I glued these to the tree. Now I did glue these just here and there, and honestly I didn't even count how many I put, but whatever this amount is what I used, and I felt like that was just the right amount. Now to finish this off, I did use some jute twine to wrap it around like at the bottom of the stem, and I made a bow using the same jute twine to decorate it a little more, and this completes this beautiful heart tree. For my next project, I'm using wood I already had, but I do want to show you this Dollar Tree option, which is these wood planks. For this project, I will not be using the Dollar Tree wood. Instead, I will be using some that I already had, which is this large piece of wood, which is painted with the antique wax. As you can see, where I had taken this apart, it was kind of hard because I had used wood glue. But anyway, the first thing I'm going to do is just glue these together side by side. Then I'm going to paint the sides that weren't painted and just fix the little messed up parts. Once I am done doing that, I am going to use these Dollar Tree dolly thingies. Doilies, I don't know how you say these, but these hearts. Now 24 come in a pack. I'm only using one. To glue this, I am using the Elmer's glue stick. To finish this off, I will be adding a bow, and look what I found. I found the perfect jute twine. I love this combination. This made it match the rest of my projects, but this completes this beautiful wall decor. The best part about this is that I feel like you can use this all year round. And that is it for today. I really hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite, because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching, and until next time.